We have a contractor coming by to work on our bathroom. We got a leak fixed last year. I believe it's in the drain and in the floor tiles here. It's been leaking downstairs, so we have the contractor coming by. Got it all. Here's our leak. I marked it with pencil to see if it got bigger. Okay. Here's the contractor. Coming in. Yeah. Very good. Salty crab. There's the tool I'm scared of, the grinder. See that grinder in his hand? That's the one that makes the dust. Ask him if there's anything else we could do if we need to do anything else to prevent dust. Okay. How about this guy? Is he okay too? Salty crab. Oh, happy haircut. Yeah. Had a haircut. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Uninstalling the glass. Yeah. Oh, they're never gonna get it with that little tool. I don't think. I barely. Okay, I didn't know that they didn't. The glass out, right, Pim? Okay, see what they're doing here with the. Oh.
Dẹp không?
Glass out and there it is. There's the.
ฝนต้องปิดหรือเปิดประตู
ปิดครับ
ปิด
Okay.
Close the door.
Ask him if we should tape anything else off, or is this okay? It'll be okay? Dust wise? Okay. Yeah, you know. Okay, you asked him? Sorry, that's on film.
That's it.
The noisy part. Good old hammer, chisel. Yeah, they're getting there. They got the glass out, which was hard. This is what they do. It's what they're probably pretty good at. Noisy even downstairs. I'm gonna try to put the mailbox back on with my barbaric washers. Him and her sister did the mailbox. Put Thai numbers on it. His dad made a mailbox. And that number is 34/7. Let me see. Bit noisy this morning. Dusty. See how it goes. Yep. I'm gonna sip some more coffee. There we go. I'm wore out. Just doing the stairs to come up to the room. Ooh. Here we are with this. We're having a little lunch break. They went to go get a drain for us. Anyway, here is the dilemma. They chiseled out 4 pieces pretty quick, noisy and dusty, but it's a 2-inch pipe. They took this out, which is for maybe 1.5 inches. Because it's a 2-piece drain there. Plus they put it in wrong. So they had a big pipe there. And they had a small drain and they put concrete all the way around. And the concrete drain, leaked, and I think it leaked at the seam. Anyway, I caught that a year ago and it stopped, and all the tiles. But these gentlemen are Bring it back in. Yeah. Hopefully it won't be too much dust, more dust doing this. Oh, here's the glass. Got the glass. Sitting on a yoga mat. Good. Thai style. There it is. Making some progress. My face is really big. I'm making progress and hopefully get the drain in. We don't have a leak anymore. Right, Pim? No more leak, maybe?
I hope so. I hope so.
Yeah, hope so, hopefully. You're cautiously optimistic. Day 2, the tile project for the shower leak. Let's see what we got going on. Oh, good. Perfect. Hey, just get the video you guys quick, okay? Oh, right, the concrete, cool. This drain okay? It'll be okay? Okay, cool. Thanks. Wow, they did the ground too, huh?
Oh, I'm not sure. Let me
Oh,
see.
oh, careful, they don't hit them.
Oh, they are doing the ground.
Very good. Fine. Ask him if he needs anything. Rags or anything. Okay. Okay, dude. Okay. Oops, it's real big, sorry. Okay. They're getting almost done. Okay. That means we could take a shower tonight without the window?
Tomorrow will be done.
Yeah, okay. Here, honey. Oops. Oh, I just screwed up.
The whole video.
Okay. Let's see how they did there. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Oh. So they finished putting the tile in and the grout. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. Oh, they even washed the floor for us. Wow. That's great. I'm going to step in for a sec. Even though it's probably yucky.
Tomorrow they will come back to install a glass.
Put the glass, yeah.
This one.
Yeah, good. Okay, they're going to re-drill that anchor. Get one here. Yeah. Well, there's our new drain. I guess the black grout does kind of match. Yeah. See, there's the old grout, unless you've moved it. So you kind of, yeah. A little bit of dusting. Definitely less than yesterday. Your husband has less to clean than you. Oh, good. They put this towel back here. Yeah. Okay, less cleaning. Yay. Want to bring the stools back down or the water bottles or? Excellent. Okay. Ooh, oh, look at the filter. 188. Holy cow, I've never seen that before. Oh, I did. I meant to turn.
No, they won't come to.
Okay, well. Putting the glass in today. It might be done. Ah. Oh, oh, oh. Ah. Oh, oh. It's okay. It's okay? Ah, good, good, good.
พี่จะลงน้ำไหมครับลงเลยครับ
Yeah, tell them I vacuumed out the.
พี่ลงไง
Okay, good.
พี่ไม่เคยล้างตรงนี้ พี่ใช้แบบกวาดแล้วก็ม็อบถู
ผมรู้แล้วน้ำมันไหลทางนู้นไงเพราะน้ำสลบไปอย่างนู้น
All Thai language, so I have no idea what they're talking about. But that's what's happening today. And I'm having a green tea in my new cup that my wife got me. And some extra waters because we boiled water to do some shirts to shrink them. Weird, I know. Anyway, that's today so far. Did she say no TikTok? Right.
เขาเห็นไงที่หน่องโพสต์ที่วันคริสต์มาสเห็นที่หน่องเขาโพสต์บนเฟซบุ๊กกับติ๊กต็อกเนี่ย
Oh, that's what they got going. Okay.
จองกลางนะลูก
That's what I was wondering about. That's the first thing they did. Very good.
กูจะได้คุยกับมึงไหม
ไม่ใช่พี่ต้นอ่ะผมจำได้ไหมว่าพี่สั่ง100เท่าไหร่168 บาท
69มันต้อง69เลยอะเหมือนมันเอาบาทเลยถังละ108 บาทมันเอา109 บาทใช่อะ
มันเป็นเศษไง
I'm always filming myself on stairs. I should be like the stair vlogger. They're finished with the project. Ah, okay. Nice. Wow. Very nice.
นี่วันที่โคนข้างมือพี่นะ
You guys do good work. D-Mock, thank you very much, Cap. Thank you so much. Ah, he's checking out the wall. Very good. Alrighty. Bathroom's all done. Now to 30 other projects, right? And the cats are all gone. Milo, Money. Oh. Merry Christmas, huh? Did you get the gift of getting outside? Yeah, did you get the gift of eating early? Oh. Yeah, oh. Yeah, oh. Yeah, oh. You good girl. Did you get the gift of getting outside a little bit, huh? Yeah, happy.